Guys, this is not what you're thinking. It's the Oraimo Smartdent C2 electric or smart toothbrush. And yes, it's not what you're thinking. It's simply a toothbrush. I did unboxing, so if you've not watched, please go do or check it out. Enjoy before you come back to this particular one. Anyway, so it comes in this beautiful package, and just like I said in the unboxing, I showed you all that is in there. So yes, this is the manual. So if you want to visit their website, there's a QR code, and usually we all don't take a look at it until we are facing issues before we jump on it. And then the main gadget, which is the toothbrush itself, is not heavy. It's not heavy, but it feels so premium and quality. The gold coating with the black, I think this is beautiful, guys. Then yeah, you have your brushes. It came with 2 extra bristles, so whichever one you want. I mean, some are a bit medium, some are softer, some are harder, so whichever one you want to just insert you just insert, and then that is all basically that. And then you can get all the vibrations. So if you want to switch, just pull it out, twist, and then turn. Yes, I think very simple as that. Okay, now one good thing is the multiple vibration settings. Now you can go as fast as you want. Why does this thing feel so corrupt? You can go as fast as you want, or slow, or with multiple intervals. There are different vibrations. I don't know if you can hear. So there's this one. So they've labeled it W, C, S, P, and then M. Okay, so when you click on it, it just switches in between seamlessly. Whichever one you want, you just jump on it and then vibrate yourself out. I think another good thing is this particular thing, but once you fix it up, you can get direct vibrations through the holes in your teeth. Okay. And that is very impressive, because it can actually go into corners that nobody else can get into. And then it comes with this charger, USB to pin. Just fix it at the bottom of the device, then you plug it in any power bank or outlet. Now that we are through with the what's in the box, let's talk about some important elements. So when it comes to design and build quality, anybody who chances upon this can really tell how much of meticulous attention and thinking was put into this. Even at the bottom of the pin, the fonts, the writings, the arrangement, the metal itself is very premium. It's not very heavy, but you can feel that this is premium. And I like the whole gold coating. I don't know if it's gold or bronze. And even with the design over here with the power button, that is pretty impressive. The other parts are plastic though, but it's very hard, and so it's durable. I've been using it for the past 6 months, and I can see for a fact that it does what it promises to do. Let's talk about performance. Now, because of the multiple vibration sensors, anybody who has been using smart or electric toothbrushes can attest to the fact that the best way to brush the teeth is by having deliberate vibrations on the enamel.
Toothbrush is it here? Yeah, apologize. It is so. Yes, my toothbrush now. What's it? Why? Too much pressure on your teeth.
A lot of times is the vibrations that we do that's what help clean the teeth. Now the thing is, most of us, we are either too rigorous or too gentle, and so we are not able to cover all the parts evenly, especially with the canines, the molars, and the premolars. Oh, my science is still intact. My goodness, acquire bang. So when it comes to performance, I can tell for a fact that it really does the job. Anybody that has gotten one gives me positive feedback that this thing is very durable. It does what it says it'll do. Now, when I got this thing, I charged it once. So as you can see, the cable was tied in it. I've charged it once in the last 6 months. The reason being that sometimes I travel. So when I'm traveling, that's when I use it most of the time. You want this? No, that's not for you. When I'm traveling, that's what I use. But usually when I'm at home, I have 2 different brushes with this one. So depending on what I've eaten, what I've taken in, then I can know which one to use. But in the last 6 months, I've used it for a lot of times, a lot of travels, and I can still see with one charge, it's still intact. One main reason why your battery may run down is if you brush frequently and if you use a lot of the vibration settings, and if you also brush for longer periods of time, that is also going to be a factor as to how much battery you're going to spend. It also has this wall bracket that you can fix in your washroom and then just place it on it, either for charging purposes or for storage and holding purposes. I think it's very, very nice. It's very, very nice and functional. When it comes to the pricing, it's around 220 Ghana cedis only, and currently with the promotion that's ongoing, you can get it for as low as 140 Ghana cedis. Now, if you use my promo code down below, you're going to get it even cheaper, right? So yes, do want to check the down below here, use my promo code and then get it very cheap. So in conclusion, so far I can say with certainty that this is a must-have, especially if you like traveling like me. Just grab it, put it in your pouch or your bag, and then be on the move. So yes, do what you subscribe, like, share, comment, everything else that we need to do together. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Until then, adios.